Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. Today is a SHEIN try-on haul, so let's jump right in. This dress is so pretty. It looks exactly how it looked on the model. I absolutely love the color, and the material is so soft and satiny. It just flows so nicely. I think this dress will be great for brunch, could be great for a date night. It's classy, it's cute, but it's still very sexy with the cutouts and the deep V-neck, and I love the tie-up in the back. This dress is so pretty. It's a gorgeous green color. It will match several items that I have in my closet, like shoes, bags, things like that. I love the sleeves, definitely a statement sleeve, and I love the length of it. It's short but not too bad. Love this dress. The material is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It actually has a nice feel to it. It's almost like that brushed cotton that feels super soft. This is a size medium. Everything I got is in a size medium, and this fits me really well. I would definitely recommend this dress. It's cute. I went ahead and put on the skirt with the dress. This skirt is super beautiful. It is long, but it doesn't touch the floor. It kind of stops at like your ankle. I love this skirt. I would definitely put a belt with it when I style it. It's just flowy and high quality. The fabric is spot on with this one. These are a really nice pair of high-waisted jeans with a denim tie around, and it's a button closure. I love these because these cinch in that pooch right in the front. Love that about these jeans, and I like that they're long enough. You can wear them with a heel or with flats, and they work out really well. Love this tie-up shirt as well. You don't have to tie up this blouse. I chose to tie it, but you can just wear it down as well. I decided to pair the blouse with this pleather skirt as well, this faux leather skirt. I like the skirt, but it didn't fit very well in the front. I wish I had got this in a smaller size because I just felt like it was gapping right around that pooch area in the front of your stomach, and it just didn't look super flattering. So yeah, I wasn't super crazy about this one. I did get this beautiful hot pink top with really pretty flowy sleeves. I paired it with this velvet skirt with a side split. Absolutely loving these jewel tones for the season. I think it's so pretty. I'd probably pair this with a black heel and a black bag. This dress is so cute. I absolutely love the ruching. It fits so nicely. It's very modest. I like that it's not showing a lot of cleavage, and I like that the cutout is very small. So this one is nice if you want to be sexy but not showing too much. It is a mini dress, but I didn't feel like it was inappropriately mini. And last but not least is this black cutout dress. I didn't think this dress was too appropriate, only because you couldn't wear a strapless bra with this one, and if you tried to, it was showing, but then it was too thin not to wear a bra. So I wasn't super crazy about this one, but for my younger ladies out there who don't mind not wearing undergarments, go for it because she's sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe, share this video with a friend, share it with a clothing haul lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.